Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vivacious Angels. My name is Aliza and today we are going to talk about this very hidden topic in our society, which is considered as inappropriate and weird and basically a taboo. But I don't think there's any shame to talk about it. It's very important, especially for those teenage girls who have no idea what is happening inside their body, and just because they can't talk about it, they are suffering because of it. I guess everyone might have guessed till now that what topic is it. Yes, I am going to talk about menstruation today. It's about our periods. So the basic norm in our society is that it should be hidden. Girls should not talk about it. It's very inappropriate. Our society consider menstruating women as impure, and there are so many religious faiths about it, so many different rules which a menstruating woman have to follow. Nobody will touch her, or she can't touch anyone. She can't attend any religious festivals or religious functions, and she will eat in separate plate. She will sleep on floor and whatnot. It's so sad to still believe in those rituals, and there are so many women out there who can't even stand up for themselves. We can't talk about this topic with our friends, with our family, and especially not with males. Only technology can't develop our country. Thinking should also be developed. It's not a topic to be hidden. I think parents and guardians should take some steps towards their child. They should talk to them. They should spread awareness about it. I think our schools can organize awareness sessions for students, not just for female students, for like whole school, for even for males, because males should understand that what females are going through, and they should not embarrass them if there's a stain on their uniform or on their clothes. It's same as any other process which is happening inside your body. So there's nothing to be embarrassed about, girls. Please don't get embarrassed and don't embarrass anyone. It's simple biological natural process, and the most important thing is hygiene. Please, first of all, please don't use old clothes, because you will get infected, you will get infection, and there's no comeback. And if it will get worse, there are so many cases of death just because of this. So please keep yourself hygienic. Use sanitary pads or tampons. Let's join our hands together and do something for our society. It's really important. So basically, I'm planning to conduct an awareness camp where I will go to some rural areas where I will try to spread awareness about this whole process, how they can keep hygiene, and I'm also planning to distribute sanitary napkins and tampons and menstruation cup, because it's new to our society and it is working wonderfully. And if you're not aware of what menstruation cup is, then you are going to get a detailed review about it. So hold on and keep watching. How aware are you about menstruation cups? At least I felt like, am I living under the rock? Because like few months back, I had no idea that there is anything like menstruation cup. I was in my comfort zone, and I am using sanitary napkin from like, I don't know, like from how many years. So I didn't want to come out of my comfort zone or do any research about this thing. We just feel like, okay, we are doing it from so many years, even our mothers and grandmothers and everybody's doing it, so let's just continue this. But it's 21st century, guys. I can't tell you how amazing these things are, but it will take a little bit of practice. Why I'm talking about menstruation cup? Because it is kind of a one-time investment, at least for a decade. I mean, once you buy it, you just have to take care of it. You have to sterilize it after your each cycle and then store it in a bag. Then you can use it every month for like 10 years. But recently I got this product from a brand called Everteen. I have already used their panty liners, which I will introduce in another video. I'll make a detailed video about panty liners too, And this brand Everteen has so many products related to girls in our hygiene. This was one of the product which they sent me. How cute is the packaging? It's very pretty, very girly, very feminine. So the menstruation cup, it's written it's reusable for as long as 10 years, leak free protection for up to 12 hours, right? So basically what you have to do is once you place it in the right area, then you are good for next 12 hours. So that's how the packaging looks like from outside. And then there's this bag. So they have given this brochure where they have explained everything, how you can use it, and basically everything related to menstruation cup. So if you buy it, just read it carefully before using it. So this is the magical cup which I'm talking about. It's little funny if you are looking at it for the first time, but I was already aware of it, so it wasn't for me. But when I saw menstruation cup for the first time, I was like, what? How am I going to use it? And what if what if it leaks? And I had so many concerns. Menstruation cup comes in two sizes, small and large, so you can choose according to your age. So how it works, so basically you have to pinch it, fold it, and like that, and you have to insert it and then open it. Once it opens up, all your menstruation blood will be collected in this. It's not going to leak. It never happened with me. I have never heard any of my friend who have used it. Nobody have ever complained about leaking with menstruation cup. Don't go to work if you are using it for the first time. Try it at home first. Make yourself comfortable and then go out with it, because I don't want you to anyways, there's nothing to be embarrassed about periods. If you will get a stain, that's completely fine. It's just a blood, okay? But still, if you are somebody who get embarrassed easily, then just try it at home first, get comfortable with it, and then go out. It's a flexible cup designed to collect the menstruation blood rather than absorbing it, like how tampons and sanitary pads do. So you basically have to remove it and rinse it after every 12 hours, or depends on your flow. It's low cost, like very low cost, which because it is going to last you for 10 years, or you can use it for a couple of years. That totally depends on you. Less landfill waste, which usually happens with sanitary napkins. You will definitely get more time between changes. That is also an advantage. The main disadvantage of this is it's little tricky, but once you learn it, you are going to love it. These things need maintenance. You have to sterilize it after each cycle. You can do it with boiling water, or with that sterilizing solution which we usually use for babies water bottles. Okay, so the next question which you might be thinking is how to find your right size. So that depends on your age, on the cup capacity which you want, and length of your cervix. So these are few things which you have to keep in mind before buying it. And I think you should try it once, because there will be less environment waste, which usually happens with other napkins and tampons. The price of Everteen menstruation cup it just blew my mind, because at this price I didn't find any other brand making menstruation cup at this price. I am very sure you are going to get discounts. There are so many sales going on these days, so you are definitely going to get some discounts on different websites. I'm going to link few websites in the description box, and you will also find few links in the bio of my Instagram. So just click it and you will get the direct link to buy it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already.